Unlocking the meaning of reform. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used word in the English language, reform. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's dive in. Reform can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a change or an improvement, especially in a system or practice that has been seen as bad or wrong. For example, when people talk about education reform, they are referring to changes made to improve the education system. As a verb, reform means to improve something by making changes to it. If someone says, the company needs to reform its policies, they're suggesting that the company should make changes to improve those policies. To truly grasp the usage of reform, let's look at it in action. 1. Noun. The new president promised reform in the country's healthcare system. 2. Verb. The teacher suggested that the student reform his study habits to get better grades. Understanding synonyms can deepen our understanding of a word. Some synonyms for reform are amend. This usually means to change parts of a document or law, but it can also mean making any sort of improvement. Revise. Often used when talking about reviewing and changing written works. Overhaul. This is a more dramatic word, suggesting a thorough and comprehensive change. Here are some commonly used phrases that incorporate the word. 1. Reform school. A type of school for young people who have behaved illegally. 2. Land reform. Changes made to the way land is owned or used in a country. 3. Reform movement. A group or effort that aims to make changes in a certain system or practice. Reform is a versatile word that can be applied to various situations, from politics to personal development. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of its meanings and uses. Remember, English is a living language, and the more you practice and explore, the more confident you'll become. Happy learning!